Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, LifePlay Digital. So it's been a while since I've shared a fashion or styling box, and mostly honestly because I took a break for a while from getting any fashion subscription boxes or bags. Which is why I decided to order another Stitch Fix box. Yes, because I took a break for a bit, but also during that break I realized that it's kind of nice sometimes having your clothes picked out for you or your styles by someone else to see just what they're gonna pick and what they think you might look good in too. So I don't know, kind of like a second opinion, like when you go to your doctors and mechanics. But I don't know, I don't categorize those really as fun. Maybe that's just me. The other reason I ordered a Stitch Fix box is because they allow you to not have to commit to a monthly subscription. So you can sign up and set it to monthly, or you can skip it every 2 or 3 months if you like, or set it to no subscription at all and just order a box whenever you like. It's very customer oriented and focused. So okay, let's get into this box. I'm very curious because it looks like it's very full because it's puffed up and stuff. I hope I can. Alright, so the usual stuff, the return bag, and this is, oh yeah, it's like saying how much everything is, the little thing, over that in a minute, and then there are little style cards that gives ideas for what they sent, but I want to see first what they sent before I look at that. So there's a top in white, and you'll see sometimes I don't do so well with white all the time, but I like it's soft, a little sheery too. And another top. Oh no, sorry, it's a cover or kimono. Yeah, I think that's what they call. Wait, actually I needed a black one too with some color on it. Like this box. Oh, jewelry. No, usually I really honestly have enough jewelry, but let's see. These bracelets. That's cute. I'm gonna go with what I'm already wearing. I'll show more close up of those in a minute. I like this. I think it's like a nice little flowy top. Have to see how it looks. I think this one would be really cute. I don't usually like yellow, but I like this. And a pair of jeans. They're high waist. We'll see. We'll try them on, but I don't do so well with high waist. Like I do better with like them, what they call like a mid waist or low cut waist, because I have like a shorter torso. And yeah, these are high rise. But we'll try it because you never know, I guess. So. Lighter color. I do have a lot of jeans though too. Let's see how they look on. Let's actually see how much everything is first. Ah, I think the pricing is getting better. So they always give like a 25% discount if you keep everything. Which is good, because if you get to a certain point of like, if you like most all the items, it's kind of like you might as well just keep everything because it'll be about the same cost. So it just depends. But let's try everything on and see how they look and go from there. Breaking thing. Like it's gonna burst.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt. You look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out. 'Cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix up sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity. Don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know me. I'm a danger to myself. I control, you don't know me. I am fading unfelt.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. Got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete.
Alright, well, I did like, obviously, one thing, possibly two. So I'm not keeping everything that I kind of already knew, honestly, because the jeans and being the high-rise jeans, they just don't work for me. I mean, I will say, as far as high-rise jeans go that I've tried, and few that I have, they are the most comfortable. Other ones that I've tried on or have, I just don't care for the way that they feel. They just make me feel uncomfortable when I sit down, or just in general, they just feel weird to me. So yep, they're going back. I have plenty of those. And the white top, I debated on this one for a while, but I'm sending it back just because I liked it. It was different with the keyhole here with the two different materials and stuff too, but I didn't like the very front of it. I'd have to like fix it or hem it or like tuck it in or sew it a little bit to fit just the way I like it, and I don't want to have to spend money on something and then have to sew it or fix it right away. So, and then of course the kimono, definitely keeping it. I think I already said that, I don't know. But it goes with a lot of different outfits that I have, dresses, shorts, shirts, all of that too, including shoes that I was having trouble pairing with some of the things that I had currently in my closet, and now I don't have that problem, so it's awesome. And the yellow top, definitely liked it. I'm likely keeping it. It's nice, it's lightweight, it's flowy, it fits nice, and it does go with some of the things that I have already, and also some shoes too, so which is also again a plus. I was just debating, if I really wanted to spend what they were asking for it, but I probably will, because it's not too bad or too much, and not too heavy. So I'm excited because I don't have any yellow tops. So yay! And then the bracelets. These I'm not going to be keeping. I have so much costume jewelry and non-costume. It's like I don't need any more, but they are nice. They're pretty. I like the little marble look to this one, or stone look. But they'll be going back for someone else. Okay. Alright, well, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to click the subscription button below, or one of the bubbles that'll pop up here any second. And if you do, I will be so grateful. And yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments. And yeah, I will see you next video. Alright, have an awesome day. Bye.
Oh, I wish I wasn't right.